Well, the Invasive Species Center is a nonprofit organization, but we are unique in that there was a collaboration of both provincial and federal governments that formed the center to establish in 2011. We have 14 staff here in Sault Ste Marie, really dedicated, passionate, talented folks who work on our projects. But you know, we can't do it alone. We definitely work in collaboration with our other partners. And we also have a number of programs that work here out of the center. We have an Asian Carp Canada project that we coordinate that works on education and outreach on preventing the introduction of Asian carp into the Great Lakes. We have a forest pests, forest invasives program that we focus on either targeting some of the species that are already a problem in Ontario, like emerald ash borer, or even working on some really important research projects or preparation and emergency response for insects like the mountain pine beetle that aren't yet in Ontario but have had devastating effects in Western Canada. It could be that a citizen finds an insect, they may take a photo, or they may actually be lucky enough to capture the insect itself. They would call EDMAPS or the hotline, and the folks there would contact us and send along any information that they already have about the sighting. If they do have the sample, they would ship the sample to us, and David, our insect diagnostician, has a process that he goes through with a microscope to carefully identify the sample that's been sent in. I would encourage anyone to visit our website. The website actually gives a lot of information. We have a family of websites on forest invasives or Asian carp, and what that does will educate people on how to actually identify the species. So the first thing is that we can't be all out there everywhere, right? So we sometimes rely on citizens to identify or flag these potentially dangerous species. So if they see something, we encourage them to report it. So if they report it, and that's the first step in us identifying it early, because early identification means potentially eradication.